What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am doing a $350 gaming PC build. Uh, and honestly, right now, if you're looking to get into a gaming PC, build one yourself. It doesn't take rocket science to build one. And honestly, right now is the time to buy the parts. I mean, the parts are pretty cheap and you can build a good gaming rig for around $400. All you gotta do is look around. Some of these parts are new, some of these parts are used. I'm going to start off with the CPU, which is an AMD Ryzen 5 2600X, 6 core, 12 thread CPU. I got this on Amazon for 55 bucks. Amazon, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace. These are a lot of places that you can find used parts and get good parts from reputable sellers. So $55 for the Ryzen 5 2600X. Next we have some Oli 16 gigabyte 300 son of a motherless goat, 3200 megahertz. I'll get it out here in a minute. RGB Warhawk RAM. This RAM was on Newegg, was like 46 bucks. So a pretty good deal for 3200 megahertz, 16 gigabyte RGB. Next is the motherboard, which is a Gigabyte 450M Wi-Fi. This also come from Newegg, brand new. This was 79 bucks. So a really good deal for that. For the CPU cooler, we just went with a 120 millimeter addressable RGB air cooler. This is made by ID Cooling. This is 20 bucks on Amazon. We got some cable extensions. They're about 10 to 12 bucks on Amazon. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the cable extensions here or not. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Next, for the graphics card, we have a PNY XLR8 1660. Now, this graphics card I already had, but you can pick up a 1660 for $125. And it's a really great card for 1080p gaming, medium, high settings, whatever the game may be. Really great card. I used this card for probably 6 to 8 months in my personal rig before upgrading to a 2060. Never had a bit of problem out of it. Great card. Absolutely one of the better cards that I've owned, honestly. And now for the case, the power supply, and the SSD. I say that because this is an Inwin 103 case, but if you notice, it says Skytech on front of it. Now, Skytech is a gaming computer company that sells pre-builts and custom PCs, blah, blah, blah. This PC was a full PC setup. It was like $1,600. Somebody had bought it in July of 2022, and apparently it got messed up somehow. I don't know what it was, but it got returned to Amazon. Now, when I got it, Amazon or whoever got the pallet, because it was Amazon pallet return, they took the graphics card out of it and they took the CPU out of it. Now, I got it. It had the three Inwin Serious Loop 120 millimeter fans in it, addressable. Didn't have a speck of dust on the fans. Like I say, brand new. It also had this Inwin P65F 650 watt 80 plus gold non-modular power supply, brand new. And of course the case, the Inwin case, this is a 103, but like I say, it was made specifically for Skytech. If you got this case directly from Inwin, it would say Inwin right here. And also, the motherboard was still in this computer, but the CPU socket was damaged. But they left the Western Digital, this is a SN350 1 terabyte SSD. They left this in it, and this has Windows already installed, Windows 10 already installed. So this, and this I got for 60 bucks. Plus this has Windows 10 already installed, already activated. So like I say, I've got around $350 to $375 in a gaming PC in 2022. That is outstanding. Now is the time, guys. Get the parts. Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon. Newegg, eBay, shop around, get your parts, get them home, put the PC together yourself. It don't take no time and you can do it. Now, enough of me yapping. Let's see if I can put this thing together without a bunch of hassle.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they